Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the battery for a Peugeot key fob. For this you need a flat screwdriver, and let's start. So this is a Peugeot key fob. The particular model that I owned was a 5008 model, but I believe they have the same key fob for different models. So firstly we have to open the key, so just open the key from this place over here, and with the help of a screwdriver we are going to open this area a little bit. See? And that's it. And this is how it looks inside. And the battery is right over here behind. Just pull this up. And the battery, if you can see it over here, let's see. It's a CR1620. CR1620 battery. So the process of changing the battery is quite simple. Just put this battery back over here. You have to be careful with this, not to damage the system, the electronics of this key fob. Okay. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can change the battery for this key fob. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.